we are finally heading out. Pick up a fresh bike. Been waiting forever for this thing. So I'm fired up. Yeah, I guess we'll just see you when we get there.
Lately I've been feeling brainwashed, like my sword rubbing against the grain, lost in the same sauce. I would complain, but the wearing diamond chains cost more than I care to explain. Yeah. Lately I've been feeling out of character, left cause I'm embarrassed, but every day I be like 1,000 miles away, blowing dope out of myself. I'm the boss in the gray. Hey. Board in the plane, what the is a holiday, dreaming through the day. What word you say your mama steady beating the text, screenshots and mentions, wish still had the way message. Rap stress, live a life in the day. This a day in the.
We forgot to film the first half of this fun. Half the graphics are already on. We got it home safely. One more to go.
I still the same, cover the spots, not stripes. For broke pay, this the grade 5-9. Super south the life, rep until I die.
Any drowsiness that might occur.
We're heading out to Jordan River right now. First day on the new bike, so see how it is. Should be good. Forgot the knee braces, so I might blow a knee out today. I don't even open these, dude. They make these sunflower seeds child-proof. Okay, made it. There's approximately 89 bikes out there, so should be solid. Easy unload. What do you think?
What I think?
Yeah, good or no? First ride, I just had to do the break-in, so it was boring. I was doing half throttle the whole time. I was going slow, but it's probably not much slower than I normally go, so that guy's ripping. Yeah, thing's freaking sweet so far. I love it. That's what I get for trying to look cool. I put that stupid brake reservoir cap on and it didn't seal or something, and now I got brake fluid everywhere. So 10 out of 10. My arms are cooked. Done. Solid day, good bike. I freaking love it. I don't know how you get out of this place, but yeah, no, it's super comfy. Lots of power. I don't know. It's a good bike. So yeah, we'll just keep getting used to it, I guess, and hopefully get faster because I'm slow. So